Next up, we have the Vigna Ghina. This kit is receiving quite a bit of hype. The RE line is really shaping up lately with these great releases. This kit will be released in June 2018 for a price of 34.56 yen. Yen. And for that price, the giant gun you receive with the kit is totally worth it. Next up, we have another P Bandai release. We have the P Bandai MG1100 Advanced Hazel, and it will retail for 59.40 yen and be released in May of 2018. In second place, Jeff Javier and his custom ball. And in first place, we have Gab Joves and his custom Afreet. And now for your network updates for this week. On the website, we cover the Gunpla Expo in the Philippines. On YouTube, Mark had a first look at Frame Shinden. And then Mark reviewed the Frame Shinden in another video. Reggie Smith reviewed the MG1100 RX178 Mark II AEUG 2.0. And then we had a featured builder, Nicholas Shupp, and his MG Shin Musa Custom. Mark then reviewed the P Bandai HG1144 High-V Gundam Influx. And that's it for this week's Gunpla Network update for March 2nd, 2018. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube videos, and we'll see you next week.